Hey guys, Bendy202 here, and you might be wondering why I'm outside again, and it's nighttime, and there's another severe thunderstorm. I thought it would be done for the summer, but it's October 7th, and probably 10:30, I guess, 10:30 at night, and at first we had a wind advisory until now, and makes things worse. We have a severe thunderstorm and a wind advisory at the same time. So let me show you what it's like. It's like insane. I just look like that. Let me just put my arm out. Yeah. Jeez. It's like flooding a little bit too over there. Let me see what time it is. I was close. It's 10:28. I was out here with my sister Lauren before this all started, and then when she saw the lightning, she ran back inside. So, yeah. It's just like crazy. I thought these kind of storms were done. I'm not sure. Yeah, because like it's fall and well, it's fall. It's fall right now, and there's a lot of things going on. I can't even say. It's fall. There's another hurricane that's making landfall right now, and there's this. Yeah. Besides, there's leaves in my garage. Oh yeah. I don't know if you could hear the wind, but it's pushing the rain towards me, and I could feel the rain on my feet when the wind is pushing it. I don't know how long I'm gonna record this for because I have to go to bed because I just got back from spending the night at my grandma's again. So, look at that. Look at that. See, like the ground on in the garage and from the driveway. See the difference, man. Man. I'm pretty tired too. I had a long day today, and now I'm gonna have a long day tomorrow. So, I feel the wind blowing on my feet. Yeah, the thing that confuses me, is that bumper sticker on my mom's car. The Planet Fitness. I just put it there probably about a few weeks ago, and since this is happening, I don't know if it will fall off or not. Oh well. I'm just confused. Oh well. I do not know why I keep sighing. Oh, there it goes again. The wind blowing the rain towards me. I don't know if you guys can hear that. What's going on right now, outside? Okay, so it's 10:33 p.m. right now, and well, gotta end this shortly because my phone battery is at 18% and I have to get inside and get something to eat and go to bed. So, besides, my sister, Lauren, she really hates, storms like these. So, well. Just put my arm out there one more time. Also, the ring got on my hand. So, you know what? I'm done for now. I'm just gonna go inside and get ready for bed and begin my day tomorrow. I'm so excited about tomorrow. If you're wondering why, I'm gonna go see the new My Little Pony movie. I am so excited because I've been a fan of that show for years. Well, this has been D2L2, and I'll see you in the next video. So, bye!